Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a login page in Python. Here these are the codes that we have to use, and when we click here on run, it will display another page that we have to input our name, let's say John, and password, let us write 1234, and when I click on our checkbox and button for sign up, it will show me welcome John, and when I come here on our terminal, it also display username was John and the password was 1234. So let us start. We can come here, and as you see here, we have to use our IDE of PyCharm because is an integrated development environment of tools that are used in Python, and then it is used for debugging, testing, and also for things for project in Python. We have to create our new project here, and then we have to name our project. Let's try to write login page. We can name anywhere the name we want. You can name it as sign up or login page. Let's try to say login, and then click here on create. It shows us to open the project in this window or another new window, and may I have to use this window. So after opening it, it will show us the main.py or the files. We have to click here and Ctrl A and delete all the tests we have, and we can start. For creating our login page, so here before we start, we must have to install the package called flet. For installing it, we have to come here on terminal, and then we have to write crc and remove all the things we have, and write pip install flet, and then press enter. So as you see, it shows all the tools that we have to use in our project has been installed with our package flet. And after installing the flet package, we have to come here and write from like this, from flet as our package, import and open our brackets and write page like this, and comma, write text field like this, comma. Next I have to write checkbox, will be a capital letter DC, checkbox like this, and provide comma, and also write elevate button, press comma, write low, comma, column, and provide comma, write text, also give it comma, and write main axis alignment, give it comma, and write text align, and provide comma on it. And also I have to continue by writing control invert, provide comma, and write up, and also comma. Next I have to write theme mode like this, and then back from the bottom and write by defining our main. I write def main bracket, and have to input the parameter of page and give it like this, and write page like this, and also I have to provide arrow function and write none like this. And next, what else I have to do, I have to write page like this, dot title like this, equal to single quotation. Let me try to write sign up, and then and I have to write page dot vertical alignment will be equal to main axis alignment dot center, like this, and then press enter, and I have to write page dot theme mode equal to theme mode dot let me provide the theme of our color will be, let me try to write dark, which should be white, like typing right, but let me try to name it as dark. And also page dot theme mode also, like this. Sorry, will be page dot window width will be equal to 800, and also press enter, and also page dot height dot window height equal to also 800, and press enter and write page dot window resizable. I have to give it false. And also, what next I have to do is to set up our fields. Let me try to set up our fields. I have to comment it like this, what I gonna do. And also I have to provide an input fields which will be username, password, and also provide the checkbox of sign up and button submit. Let me start for text. For my text, underscore, and write username equal to let me write text field bracket, and I give the label name will be equal to, let me try some double quotation and apply the string of username. This must be the capital letter, and then I have to keep the comma and write text align equal to text align dot left, and give the comma here and write width is equal to, let me give it 200, right? And also I can copy this input field, will be also the same here like this, and the username, this I have to provide it as password as an input, like this, password equal to text field. Inside here I have to name it password, and then I have to write text align dot left equal to 200, and here I have to provide, I can provide the comma and write password will equal to true, like this. And then I have to write the checkbox, my checkbox underscore, let me write sign up equal to checkbox equal to checkbox, and let me write bracket. This is maybe a let me try to write like this, and then inside on my bracket I have to provide the label is equal to, let me write some sentence like I agree to the terms and condition, like this. Next I have to keep the comma here and then give it the value, and I have to give it the value of false. So, and let me provide the submit button. I can write button dash underscores submit equal to elevated button bracket, and I can write text like this. Text equal to sign up, like this. Fine. And then outside of my double quotation I can write the comma and give it the width of 200 also, and write the comma, write disabled must equal to true. So next I have to define by value date. When I click on a button and the validated button on, so next I can define the validation, write validate, and after I have to provide an if condition. Inside my parameter should be write as control invent, and outside my parameter I have to provide arrow function and write none, like this. And next what I gonna do, I have to write a condition for if or bracket and provide an table. on change like this will equal to validate, and let me remove this bracket and also write text username dot on change will equal to also validate. Fine, and also remove this bracket and also write text password dot on change will also equal to validate. And this I have made a mistake. Let me write I and remove this, also this, and next I have to write button submit dot on click will equal to also on button will be submit like this. So this will look good. And also let me also render the page sign. So we are going to render our page sign up. Let me try to write if dash name like this, and inside of my single quotation I have to write dash main, and then close it like this and write up. I have to write inside target will be equal to main. So write like this. So as you see, I finished to write my code, and when I come here and run it, it will also open my page. Was dark, but I can change the theme. Like, let me try to make it white, and when I also rerun it, my main, it will show me my input text, and I can write the name like John, and password, let me write Doi, and click on ugly, and on my button sign up, when I click on it, it will show me welcome John. And when I back here on my terminal, the username was John and password was Doi. Yeah, as you see, my page was this, and I can minimize it for here. When here I have typed it as 800, let me provide it as 400, and also rerun it. The page will be small. You should name it as Pristia as a username, and password, let me try to name it as 1010 also, and right, I agree. It shows me welcome Pristia. And when we come here on our terminal, it shows us username was Christian and password was 10. Yeah, so I hope this video is good for you. I provided the link of GitHub where you can find the codes in my descriptions, and you can run it and do your own practice. Thanks for watching.